To me it sounded astounding with quality the lowest, but I was crazy as fuck, so then I haven't noticed. Computer microphones the only way I made the music. I sounded stupid, but back then I felt the coolest. I put a crew together, pushing it was easier, leaving it to everyone to distribute the media. It wasn't medium, dreams, encyclopedia filled with every song we decided to kill. You were forgetting who was with it, but forget it, we did it. Be honest with it, though you felt the fucking music in it. 808 to the M-I-L-E, you know the name. There was a drought, so you know we had to bring the rain. Never made it anywhere. We caught you unaware though. Shit your underwear. You scared bricks, always hesitated lyrically. We had the balls on the mic, not only physically. The animosity brought any ferocity within us, so velocity levels was over modesty. We had the weight to bring the ego up. Back to the testicle talk, they saying we was nuts. What? No, this is easy to me. It had to be, cause it grinded musically when every member would leave. I guess I was the only one so devoted, that's what I noted. I wrote it, I spoke it on tracks so you would know that a bunch of kids spitting had dreams and big ambitions, a mission, but tragically it ended in division. But add the 808 with the mile, and you'll know the name. There was a drought, so you know we had to bring the rain.